Is your engine shaking, running rough, or feeling like it has lost a massive amount of power? You might be down a cylinder. And if your scanner is showing code P02AC, it means the computer has pinpointed the problem to a specific fuel injector that is not delivering the fuel it should. So, let's dive into code P02AC, which stands for Cylinder 5 Injector Restricted and is a generic code that can pop up on anything from a Ford Transit to a Subaru, where your engine's computer, or PCM, constantly monitors how much fuel is being burned by watching the oxygen sensors in the exhaust to tell if a specific cylinder is running lean, which means too much air and not enough fuel. So when the computer tries to tell the injector for cylinder number 5 to spray fuel, but the feedback shows it is still not getting enough gas, it sets this code essentially saying, I am telling cylinder 5 to work, but something is blocking the flow. And this is serious because running a cylinder lean can cause it to overheat, potentially damaging the piston or valves over time, with symptoms that are pretty standard for a misfire, including a rough idle, the car shaking when you are stopped, a significant lack of power when accelerating, and dropped fuel economy. While causes usually fall into two categories, either mechanical, where the injector itself could be clogged with dirt or carbon deposits, or the internal mechanism could be stuck, or electrical, where there could be a break in the wire leading to the injector, or the driver inside the PCM could be bad. Although bad oxygen sensors or a dirty mass airflow sensor can sometimes confuse the system, usually this code means the problem is right at cylinder 5. So here is how you troubleshoot this like a pro. First, by locating cylinder number 5 on your specific engine using a cylinder diagram found online, then inspecting the wiring connector to make sure it is clicked in tight and the wires are not chewed up by rodents. And if that looks good, try the listening test by taking a long screwdriver or an automotive stethoscope, placing the metal tip on the body of the injector while the engine is running, and putting your ear to the handle where you should hear a steady, rhythmic click, 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 which is the injector opening and closing. But if it is silent, the injector is dead or not getting power. And if the clicking sounds weak or different compared to the other injectors, it is likely clogged or failing. And you can also use a multimeter to check the resistance of the injector and compare it to the manufacturer's specs. But if the injector has power and is clicking, but you still have the code, it is physically restricted. And while you can try running a high-quality fuel system cleaner through the tank, often the fix is to replace the fuel injector for cylinder number 5 to get your engine running smooth again.